Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a quick tour through downtown Kingston. We are on Port Royal Street and we are now at the intersection with Port Royal Street and Duke Street. Now downtown Kingston is in the parish of Kingston and it's also in the city of Kingston. So we're now passing over Church Street. So the parish of Kingston includes downtown Kingston and Port Royal. That's the parish of Kingston. Now the city of Kingston, which is the largest city in Jamaica and the capital of Jamaica, is made up of parts of the city of the parish of Kingston and parts of the parish of St. Andrew. Okay, we just passed over King Street and straight ahead is Princess Street, and that's where you find the Moby Dick restaurant, which is a very popular restaurant in Jamaica. So basically the city of Kingston includes downtown Kingston and Halfway Tree. Those areas make up the city of Kingston. That's just an example, because Halfway Tree is the capital of the parish of St. Andrew. So the city of Kingston is located in the parish of Kingston and located in the parish of St. Andrew. A lot of persons use the names, just say Kingston, and sometimes persons get confused. But the city of Kingston is different from the parish of Kingston. Alright, so we're now going to turn left onto Ocean Boulevard and take a quick tour and then go up Duke Street. On the right is the Kingston Craft Market. I think I heard once that cruise ships were going to come into, is it downtown Kingston? I know cruise ships are coming into Port Royal now. So I'm not sure, but this area is supposed to have something to do with tourism soon. Okay, so on the left is the Digicel head office. And that's the head office for Jamaica and the Caribbean. Straight ahead on the left is the office building, which is a commercial building. On the right is the Kingston Harbour. Now coming up on the left, now that's the Ocean Towers, which is a residential building, it's apartments. And these buildings on the left that overlook the harbour are some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. Now on the left, coming up, that white building is the ROK building, which is a hotel, the ROK Hotel. On the right is Ocean 7. It's they have a lot of restaurants over there. On the left now is the Jamaica Conference Center. And then on the right, coming up now, is the Bank of Jamaica building, and the Scotia Center building is where you see the black glass. Now the Scotia Center is the second tallest building in Jamaica. The Pegasus Hotel is the tallest. And the Jamaica Conference Center, which the entrance is on the left, is the second largest conference center in Jamaica. Only the Montego Bay Conference Center is larger. Okay, these persons on the right look like they're getting a ticket. Alright, so when we go over the light now, we're going to head on to Duke Street. So this intersection is Port Royal Street. It's a one-way, so you can only go left. If you turn left, you take Port Royal Street. That takes you back to Marcus Garvey Drive. So in downtown Kingston, there are a lot of one-ways, and that's to help control the flow of traffic. So Port Royal Street, you turn left and you go all the way back to Marcus Garvey Drive. Straight ahead now is Harbour Street, which is a one-way, and that takes you towards South Camp Road. So it takes you from Marcus Garvey Drive to South Camp Road. So we're heading up Duke Street. Wow, the light didn't even change for 3 seconds, 2 seconds, and somebody's blowing. As you can see, there are a lot of commercial buildings on this road. A lot of banks, insurance companies, lawyer offices. This is outside of New Kingston, this is probably the second largest financial area in Jamaica. New Kingston is the largest financial district or area in Jamaica. Now that man operates that parking spot, so he's trying to get people to park there and charges them a fee. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the tour through downtown Kingston. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.